ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे.
When you know that what the incident happened, all the other faculties explain what has happened to our country. Our country is so great when compared to any part of the world, and we are about 40 crores to 150 crores population. We are the second biggest population in the world, and all religions, all castes, we are equal all over the country. You have got a lot of languages, almost around more than 2000 languages in your country. No country is having like this. Still, we are united since long time. Yesterday, the 22nd things, which is horrible thing. They selected the religion and they fight, which is nobody agrees. If you talk anybody in the country, anybody in the world, telling against their country, they'll kill you. But Indians, we are not doing. Still you are doing the second. Still you want to bring a golden second to all the countries surrounding, including the Bangladesh, including the Pakistan, including the Nepal, including Sri Lanka, including the Maldives, everybody surrounding country, including China also. But people are not thinking like that. We have to show our Akhanda Bharat, how the accent is there about around 500 to 16 days by years back, and what is our country, including the POK, Pakistan Occupied Kashmir. This is India. That's why you want to, this is occasion. Occasions are coming as by luck. That's why the occasion come. Make a solidarity to our government, the present government, NDA government, including Modi. Take a reaction to action. Anandandaru. Reaction to action. We want POK back.
मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे.
अखंड भारत is mine. We are Bharatiya. अखंड भारत is mine. We are Bharatiya. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಭಾರತೀಯನಂ. ಅಖಂಡ ಭಾರತ್ ನಮ್ಮದು. ಅಖಂಡ ಭಾರತ ಮೂಲ ಭಾರತ.
എല്ലാവരുടെ ദേശത്തും ഭാരതദേശമാണ്. ഇത് നമ്മുടെ എല്ലാവർക്കും
தேசம் முழுமையாக நம்மளோடது. இதை யாருக்காகவும் విట్టు கொடுக்க మాటం.
మీరు ఆక్రమించినటువంటి పాకిస్తాన్ని, ఆక్యుపైడ్ కాశ్మీర్, ఏ పాకిస్తాన్ వాళ్ళైతే మన కాశ్మీర్ని ఆక్రమించుకున్నారో త్వరలో చేజిక్కించుకోబోతున్నామని మనసా వాచ గట్టిగా చెబుతున్నాం. జై హింద్.
और हमको चाहिए कि हमारा प्राइम मिनिस्टर का साथ, प्रधानमंत्री जी का साथ देना है, क्योंकि हम जानते हैं कि क्या हुआ है और क्या होने वाला है. इफ कल अगर हम नहीं जागे तो ये देश का कुछ नहीं होगा. आप लोग देश का युवा हैं, आप लोग हमारा बोलते स्ट्रेंथ है, हमारा शक्ति है. तो युवा शक्ति सबसे महत्वपूर्ण है हमारे लिए. एंड हम देश के साथ हैं, हम देश के साथ हमेशा रहेंगे. भारत माता की जय.
The Kashmir terror attack has shaken up all of us. None of them were known to us personally, but all their loss echoes in all of us. The candles that we lit today and tonight are not just a normal light. They symbolizes the peace, unity and compassion. Thanks for everybody for being here. That the world is suffering, we did not stood silent. We all come up and we have shown our unity just by not applying the peace but being together and showing our unity here. Thank you.
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।